Microsoft Office is probably the most common productivity program in the world, with millions of people using Word to write all kinds of documents every day, from primary school essays to professional writing manuscripts. Knowing important shortkeys in Microsoft Word will make whichever job you have easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Shortkeys, also known as hotkeys, help make your writing task easier to execute. It speeds up your work by allowing you to give simple commands using the keyboard rather than searching through a menu with your mouse. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, open MS Office and especially MS Word. To start our hotkeys, first of all we need some text. For that we'll require a random data. We have a function to generate a random data. We will write is equal to rand parentheses and hit enter. It will automatically generate a random text for you. Short key number 1, Control A, which stands for select all. Whenever you are in MS Word and you want to select all of your document, you have two options. Number first, you manually can select all of the text. It takes you a lot of time. And the second shortcut which you can utilize in this sense is by using the Control and A simultaneously. It will automatically select all your text and you can do whatever you want with all of this your text. So our next key is bold. If you want to bold your text, you need to have Control plus B. First of all, let me show you the definition of what it means by bold. Bold, that is a darken to help emphasize or remark or comment. For example, you can see this, the bold text has more emphasis as compared to its previous. The shortcut for this is Control B. First of all, you have to select the text. For example, we are selecting here another device and you can simply apply Control plus B simultaneously. Now you can see the another device has become some bold. Shortcut number 3, Control plus C. If you want to copy some text from your document, you can simply apply this shortcut. First of all, you have to select how much data you want to copy. Select that text and apply Control plus C, and then you have to apply this text anywhere in the document. Go to your destination and paste it by using Control plus V, or you have another option, just right click here and click on paste option. Shortcut number 4, default font set. If you want to have default font set in MS Word, you can simply apply the shortcut Control plus D. It will automatically open the default font set. Here you can resize your document text, font style and font body, etc. A lot of options are available here which you can utilize to format your text. Shortcut number 5 is center. If you want to make your text center aligned, you can simply select your text and hit Control plus E. Now it has been converted into center aligned. Shortcut number 6 is to find. If your document is too much long and you want to find any of sentence or word or character, you can simply press Control plus F. It will open a navigation bar and here you can type whatever you want to find here. So let me write here any word like word and hit enter. You can see now the word has been highlighted automatically by using this shortcut. The next shortcut is go to. The shortcut for this is Control plus G, and here you can find any sentence or word or replace any word. Replace is another cool feature in this MS Word which you can utilize to replace a word with another word. Suppose that I want to replace word with Excel, so I will write here Excel in replace with text box, and I will hit replace all button. Okay, it is notifying me that all done, and we have made 6 replacement of word with Excel word. Next shortcut is italic. First of all, let me show you the definition of italic. Italic is the style of font that slants the letters evenly to the right. Let me show you. I am going to write here some word like word, and I want to make it italic. Just hit Ctrl plus I and automatically it will be italic text. Our next shortcut is justify. If you want to make your text left, right and center aligned, you can have many options here, but to save your time you can use only this single shortcut, which is Ctrl plus J. First of all, select your text and enter Ctrl plus J. Great, it have automatically justified your text in no time. Our next shortcut is hyperlink. If you want to insert a hyperlink in your text, first of all you have to select any text, select it, and now hit Ctrl plus K. Now it requires the address for the hyperlink. You can enter any address. Suppose that I select this address and click OK. So now whenever I will select this text, it will automatically go through that point. Our next shortcut is align text to the left. If you want to make your text to be left aligned, simply select your text and enter Ctrl plus L. It will automatically align your text to the left hand side. Our next shortcut is for hanging indent. What is meant by indent? Let me show you definition. A hanging indent is an indent that indents all of your text except for the first line. So if you want to make your text hanging indent, just hit Ctrl plus M. It will automatically make your text to be hanging indented. Our next shortcut is about to open a new document. If you are in a document and you want to open another new document, you just need to press Ctrl plus N to open a new documents. That's amazing. Our next shortcut is to open. If you want to open any document that is already available in your MS Word history, you can simply press Ctrl plus O. It will take you to the menu to open any document from here. Our next shortcut is about print. If you want to print your document directly, you can just hit Ctrl plus P. And it is a print view, and you can select your printer here and hit enter. Our next shortcut is about to add space after a paragraph. If you want to have a place after any paragraph ending, you can simply press Ctrl plus Q. It will automatically add a space after paragraph. Our next shortcut is about align text to the right. If you want to make your text to be the right aligned, you can simply select your text and hit Ctrl plus R, and now your text is right aligned. Our next shortcut is about to save your document. If you have completed your task and you want to save it, you can simply press Ctrl plus S. It will automatically save your text document. Our next shortcut is about to the left indent. If you want to make your text to be left indented, simply hit Ctrl plus T. Next shortcut is about underline. If you want to make your text to be underlined, simply select your text and enter Ctrl plus U. Our next shortcut is about paste. What is meant by paste? Paste is a command that allows you to insert data from the clipboard into an application. Once the clipboard contains data, you can paste the saved data into any spotting program. The paste command is most commonly used to copy text from one area to another. Let me show you that in MS Word. First of all, you will have to select your text, whichever you want to make copy of it. Hit Ctrl plus C to copy it, and you can paste it anywhere in other document. I have this another document, and you can paste it here by simply pressing Ctrl plus V. That's nice. Our next shortcut is about to close your MS Word document. If you have completed your document work and you want to close your currently open Microsoft Word document, you just need to enter Ctrl plus W. It will ask you to save your changes to document, save or not. Simply hit save, name it, and it's done. Our next shortcut is about cut. If you want to cut any piece of your text, simply select the text and hit Ctrl plus X. Now it is cut from the document, and you can utilize this anywhere in the document. To paste it again, just hit Ctrl plus V. That's all. Our last shortcut about undo. What is mean by undo? Let me show you its definition from Google. Undo means to make of no effect or as if it done. How it is applied in MS Word? Let me show you. First of all, you need to apply any action in your text. Suppose that we are making it bold. To make it bold, press Ctrl plus B. Now it is in bold form, and you want to undo this action, simply hit Ctrl plus Z. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the last, if you have any question or queries related to Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching our video. I am sure you have learned so many things from this video. Subscribe our channel for the latest updates and the latest learning, and share it to your friends. Take care and bye bye.